And now, let me take you behind the scenes, where there is a lot of excitement.
And this is when the moments turn to memories.
This is where the fun began.
Future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to
It wasn't just a practice, it was a celebration every day.
memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us go. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove. And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories.
Turns out, the best stories were happening backstage. And that was our journey. Can't wait to see you next year. Bye.